Today we're going to make a scrap hardwood table. Well, this is embarrassing. I am not a professional woodworker. I may look like a professional with my shirt with little green army men doing chores or all of my toys, but I am indeed simply an amateur. Please keep in mind that if you see me, using a tool improperly or cutting my fingers off, I am still learning. Step 1, jointing all the wood. Ow, my eyes. Ow, my eyes. Step 2, make a plan. So, everything has to be the same thickness. Well, I think every piece has to be the same in general. And the first question is, I guess we should, okay, so ow, my eyes. This. What's exact? I have a better idea. Everything that's this thick will be sliced kind of thick, and everything that's this thin will be sliced kind of thin. Step 3, plane all the wood. I've only done like 2 boards and I've already lost my place. I need to find a way to organize them by width because I need to start with the thickest and then go thinner and thinner. This is the order that everything goes in. So this is first, second, third, fourth, whatever, all the way down to the thinnest, which is down here. Look at that. They're all the exact same height. And our table is now done. See you next video. I'm going to, I think, cut these into strips.
Step 4, cut all the wood into 4-centimeter strips.
What kind of cruel irony is this? I was changing my saw blade with my wrench, and then I dropped my wrench down there, and I can't get to it. And the only way I could get to it is if I took the saw blade out, but I need my wrench to take the saw blade out, and it's just a tiny bit too big to fit out the dust port. Ow! I'm gonna get all the wood on the table and see if I can organize it into kind of a table looking thing. I really hope that I have enough wood to make a table. I am done cutting wood. I don't want to cut any more wood for the rest of my life.
Step 5, cut more wood.
All this wood. Hello, hello, hello. Dudley, what are you eating?
Step 6, glue wood together.
Ooh, it smells high quality. I feel like if, oh no. Oh. Hey, look everybody, Dudley's ready to leave. And I'm ready to start gluing. Oh, good. I'm tired and I want to quit this. This is the update. I just sliced my finger very badly on a piece of wood. I can't stop gluing because it's going to dry. I just need to get this done. I'm quite impressed by how much a finger can bleed. I'm committed. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Step 7 and 8. Plane 3 panels and joint them with a router.
I just have to now run this mess through the planer, and then we can join them together. Together forever, like friends. Well, that's not good. Oh no. I mean, that is what wood filler's for. I was a bad boy. I went to Home Depot and I bought a biscuit joiner. I've never used one before. I don't know what I'm doing. It says don't touch the blades. How to use a biscuit joiner.
I want to talk to you today about biscuit joinery.
Now before you judge me, this was already open. Someone bought it and returned it just like I did. Look what we did. We did it.
Step 9, 10, and 11. Cut both ends flush and then finish in oil.
Oh no. Oh. I didn't have the blade set low enough. Give me a hug. You're my little cutie. You're my little cutie. Oh, nose wicks. Nose wicks. I'm really happy with how this cable turned out. It is by far the nicest wood thing that I have ever made. and it took a very long time, and I had to shoot it by myself because of COVID-19, but also because Cody moved away to Vancouver. Aww. How dare he do what's best for him? I know this content is a slight departure from what I normally do because I actually made something that was nice. But that is simply because I spent so much time on it and I intended to make a good video that would get me more subscribers because people like woodworking videos. They don't like whatever the hell this stuff is. I wish we could hang her somewhere and let her just dry for a minute. Yeah. So I'm hoping that if you are new to the channel, you will subscribe. Please subscribe. If I don't get 250 subscribers by the end of the month, then I'm gonna give my power tools away to kids who shouldn't have power tools, probably. Yeah.